Hi, I'm Rico from Dutchpro, and in this video I'm going to answer the question: how does our A+B bloom base feed hard water works? Our bloom base feed hard water is optimized for your flowering stage and has all the 17 macro and micro elements for vigorous flowering. The benefits of using our bloom base feed hard water is an enhanced nutrients transportation, better CO2 regulation through the stomata, bigger and better bud forming, and overall it actually increases the denseness but also the overall taste of your buds. So how exactly does the bloom base feed nutrients work inside your plant? Now first of all, let's start off with these two different varieties. We got the bloom base feed specifically made for the soil substrate, and we also have them specifically made for a hydroponics or Coco setup, which are these blue bottles. So we tailored these nutrients specifically to the substrate that you're using. Now these products contain the 17 macro and micro elements, which are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, magnesium, calcium, oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. Now those 9 are the macro elements. The micro elements are boron, zinc, iron, copper, molybdenum, nickel, and chlorine. Now, providing these 17 elements in the optimal ratio according to Liebig's law of the minimum is key in stimulating flower development. So these ratios are specifically optimized for flower. Now what you need to know and what is important for plants that are in flower is that an increased ratio of potassium, iron, and also phosphorus are needed to stimulate these specific parts of the plant that are needed for flowering forming. Furthermore, the bloom base feed also increases enzymatic activity. Now, enzymes are crucial to speed up processes inside the plant. They help with the changes from molecules to transfer from cell A to cell B, but it also helps to speed up processes inside your plant that are needed to develop the plant in the optimal condition. Now, lastly, the elements that are actually in these products are also crucial for cell elongation, cell division, and energy production. Energy production happens when ADP, which is adenosine diphosphates, are turned into ATP, which is adenosine triphosphates. Now, once you have an ATP molecule and this one is split up, energy is being released and the plant utilizes this energy to fulfill all the processes needed. So now that you know exactly what happens inside your plants when you feed these nutrients, it's also time to actually tell you how much you need to use of it and when do you need to use these nutrients. So you use the soil nutrients all the way in flower from the first moment till you're flush. The same applies when you use the hydroponics / Coco version of the nutrients. Now, as you can see, the color of both A's are yellow. That is because we use yellow iron, which makes the water turn yellow. Now the B is transparent and looks like water. So be careful because it looks exactly like water, so please keep it away from children. Furthermore, the dosage ratio of these nutrients are for soil between 8.5 and 12.5 milliliters a gallon, depending on your ppm ratio. And the same applies for the hydroponics / Coco version. Now, why do we have two different versions? Because it's specifically tailored to your substrate. In soil, there are always nutrients available. And to make sure that you don't overfeed your plant with certain elements, we balanced it out by actually making a specific soil nutrient line. But it doesn't stop there. Why? Because these are the hard water versions, meaning that this one is also tailored to your water that you're using. Hard water is water that is rich in calcium and magnesium. We actually draw the line at 150 ppms, meaning if your water source contains more than 150 ppms, we actually propose to use the hard water version. Now, if your ppm is actually below 150, it means that you have soft water, or in this case, if you use a reverse osmosis system, you have RO water. When you have RO water or soft water, we actually advise to use the RO / soft water version of the base feeds, which we also have a video for, so you can also watch the other video. The dosage ratio for the Hydro Coco is 8.5 to 12.5 milliliters. Both nutrients can be given through irrigation systems, or you can also hand water them. Now, the beauty of these products are the fact that they won't clog your system, so they're perfect to feed through drip systems or irrigation systems. Now that I explained everything, it's time for you to start growing some killer plants. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for any future videos. My name is Rico from Dutchpro, and I hope I will see you again.